In this video, I'll show you how to set up OpenClaw with a local model and MCP server to control every device in your home assistant. Enjoy a lifetime of free tokens, just a private AI agent that belongs to you running 24/7 on your own hardware. Alright, the first thing we need to do is build a bridge on the home assistant side. Head over to Settings, Devices and Services, click Add Integration, and search for MCP. Now, stay sharp here. You'll see two options. You should select MCP Server, not the standard MCP. The server version is what allows external clients, like OpenClaw, to actually reach into your system and talk to your devices. Don't grab the wrong one. Next up, we're deploying the engine for our local AI, Ollama. Go to the official Ollama website and hit that download button in the top right. Depending on your OS, pick your path. I'm running Linux, and since I've already got it downloaded, we'll skip the installation process and jump straight into the configuration demo. But here's the pro tip. We want this running 24/7 in the background, so we have to set it up as a system service. First, we're going to create a dedicated user and group for Ollama. Then, we need to create a service configuration file. Now, listen closely to this next part. It's where most people trip up. By default, Ollama only listens for local requests. To let OpenClaw talk to it over the network, we have to manually edit the configuration and change the host IP to 0.0.0.0. This opens the door for any authorized address to connect. Once that's saved, we'll reload the system daemon, tell it to start automatically on every boot, and fire up the service. If you check the status and see that active tag, your engine is officially humming. With the engine running, we need the brain. Back on the Ollama website, click on Models. Now, since we need our AI to actually do things rather than just chat, filter the list by the Tools tag. I'm going with the GLM 4.7 Flash model. It's an incredibly efficient choice that runs smoothly on most modern setups. Run the pull command in your terminal, and once the download finishes, your local brain is officially online. Moving on to OpenClaw. If you haven't installed it yet, you can check my previous video or follow the latest guide on their site for the quick way to get it running. Now let's head over to the web UI and talk to it directly. As long as you've got your AI model configured from the start, you can just say, install the MC Porter skill. OpenClaw will take it from there and handle the installation. From here, we just need to link it to Home Assistant, continue the conversation, and provide your MCP server's URL and your long-lived access token. Tell the AI to add the server, and it'll finish the process automatically. If you want to verify the configuration, you'll find a new JSON file named MC Porter in your config directory with all the connection details. It's clean, automated, and ready to go. Now, we need to point OpenClaw to our local engine. First, locate your OpenClaw configuration directory and find the openclaw.json file to edit it. Since it's not there by default, you'll need to add a brand new Models section right above the Agents field. This is where we define our Ollama provider, including the local address and the specific model details. Next, scroll down to the Agents block. You'll need to update the primary model parameter so that OpenClaw knows to default to GLM. Also, make sure to list the GLM model under the Agents model list so the system can map it correctly. Once you've saved the changes, run the OpenClaw gateway command. Take a look at the output. If the logs show that it's successfully using the GLM model and there are no error messages, you're officially ready to use it. Let's test it out with a real command. Use Home Assistant MCP to turn off the smart plug socket. You can see the AI thinking, identifying the right MCP tool and calling the service. And just like that, the plug clicks off. No cloud, no subscription, and 0 token costs. You've now got a 24/7 private AI butler that you own completely.